I'm Paul Kamin, the General Manager at East Sound Water. I've been asked to share how the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted our water system. First, the COVID-19 virus is not dispersed through water systems. Our chlorine residual provides protection, and the virus is not found in either the groundwater or surface water sources that we use. When it came to crafting a COVID-19 response plan, the priority was safeguarding our staff. The water system is dependent on our team to keep the system running. This requires our operators to visit over a dozen locations, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. We're doing security checks, water quality testing, adjusting production to match demand, and performing routine maintenance. We have a small staff and a small office. Normally, we work pretty closely together, and that's had to change. We are now trying to limit the office to no more than 2 people at a time. Staff are working on projects on a solo basis, and some are rotating and working from home. We've had to halt some of our training for new staff. We also have had to put off large construction projects for the past couple of months. We simply can't risk the chance that more than one staff member would have to be in isolation. Like most businesses, we've had to close our office to the public to safeguard our staff. And we miss the interaction we normally have with our members. Since the governor's stay-at-home, stay-healthy order, we've seen a significant change in water use. Commercial water use in East Sound over the last 2 months is down 60%. Makes sense, many businesses are closed, especially the restaurants and the hotels. Residential use is up 10%. Also fairly logical, many of the workers from those businesses are spending more time at home now. Overall, in April, water use was down 10%, and in the first 2 weeks of May, it's down 25% when compared to May of last year. Clearly, there is an ongoing financial impact on our community due to the virus response. Delinquencies in March were double the previous year. In April, they were up 25%. To help members, we have discontinued applying late fees, and we have postponed any shut-off actions related to delinquent accounts. In addition, the board has established a $15,000 fund to provide financial relief to those who can't pay their bills. We've partnered with the Orcas Community Resource Center to process those requests. We've also established a service fee deferral program. This program allows members who are having trouble paying their current bills to defer 3 months of obligation till next year. And then they can pay them back over the entire 2021 year with no interest and no penalties. We've set up a unique email address so that members can contact us about those programs. You can reach us at assistance@eastsoundwater.org. While water use is down and will likely remain below normal into the summer months, our service fee revenue has not been hit hard. East Sound Water adopted a new rate structure in 2019 that placed a high priority on revenue stability. That is proving to have been a wise move. So while water use is noticeably down, it's not having a significant impact on our operating budget. We fortunately have also over the years built up financial reserves that can help carry us through hard times if needed. East Sound Water is often the first step in the development process, so we have a reasonable understanding of new construction activity and real estate transactions. Properties are still being bought and sold, and requests for supportive building permits are coming in on a weekly basis. That's a quick synopsis of East Sound Water's response to the COVID-19 challenges. Thanks for tuning in and for your efforts to keep our community safe.